Today, you'll see me cook and eat Mopane worms. That one is a dry one, and these ones are rehydrated in hot water and they are ready to be cooked. Hello there, besties. I hope you're all doing fantastic. My name is Becky and welcome to Sizzles Diaries. So guys, these are the Mopane worms, and as you can see there, this is the dry one, and these ones are rehydrated in hot water and they are ready to be cooked. They were rehydrated and washed, and now they are ready to cook. Mopane worms are harvested by hand from the leaf of a mopane tree during February to March. They are known by many names and are common in Southern Africa. In many parts of the world, entomophagy is very much real. Mopane worms have a concentrated level of protein and they are very much sustainable as well as cheap form of protein to buy. So in order to get the Mopane worm like this, they are often degutted and dried in ash to preserve them, because Mopane worms are seasonal. So when you need to cook them, this is now when you take hot water and pour over the Mopane worm, and then they'll be rehydrated. Once they get rehydrated, they will still increase in size, as you can see there. Some people often take off the head or the tail, but for me, I don't do that. I just cook them as they are. So this is our traditional native exotic food. They are very much loved in Southern Africa, especially in South Africa, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia, Angola, Zambia. Yeah, that's all that I know for now. Let me know in the comment section if you also have this type of worms in your country. So Mopane worms can be eaten just as they are, like this. They can be eaten as a snack, or they can be cooked into a stew or an appetizer. And once you want to cook them into a stew or an appetizer, you will have to rehydrate them as done there. Once you rehydrate them, then they increase in size. As you can see, the dry one is smaller than the rehydrated one. So that's the difference for you to see, the dry and the rehydrated one. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. Let's go into the video. Mopane worms are the main ingredient, but you also need water, vegetable oil, an onion, and some seasoning. Once the Mopane worms have boiled for 10 minutes, we are going to discard the water by draining it, because we don't need the water, to be honest. I'm also going to run more water over the Mopane worms. Repeat this process 2 more times. Immediately after draining the Mopane worms, add them all to a pot and just pour enough water to cover the Mopane worms and continue steaming. A deep pasta pot like this or a pressure cooker is ideal, but you can use what you have. After boiling for a while, strain and pour some cooking oil in a pan and add all the Mopane worms and stir. Continue to shallow fry until the sauce from the Mopane worm reduces. Keep turning them once in a while to avoid burning, and dry fry for a bit until they start getting crunchy. I've added a large white onion sliced, but because it's almost cooked, I'm going to add an African ghost chili. Do not add more chilies than needed. The oil will burn them, and before you know it, everybody in the vicinity of the house will be sneezing and coughing from the peppered smoke. After a few minutes, come back to your Mopane worm. They are ready to serve when there is some browning on them and the onion has been caramelized. I'm going to eat this just like the way we do when you buy them from the street vendors. I will use my clean washed hands and eat them the African way. So guys, here is a mini mukbang of Mopane worms. If you are wondering what to pair well with these Mopane worms, you can have them with oshifima or you can have them as a snack. If you've never tasted Mopane worms before, I'm so sorry, you are missing out. So let me know in the comments if you've had this or not. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know if I can do another video like this in future. Share this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye besties!